And here you have your kitchen. White cabinetry, granite countertops and backsplash, and stainless steel appliances. You have a built-in microwave, your stainless steel refrigerator, dual ovens, right over here you have a nice large pantry with lots of shelving. And right over here you have your 6-burner gas stove with built-in griddle. You also have a dishwasher and a very deep sink. Kitchen is perfect for entertaining. It opens up right into the family room, a larger living space. This here has built-in cabinetry. And once again, you have another fireplace. Right off of the kitchen and living room, you have your backyard. A very green, lush backyard with a built-in fire pit, ran by gas, as well as, for entertainment purposes, a grill with an outdoor sink. And right outside the back of the garage, you also have a small basketball court. And as we head back inside, we will head to your guest bathroom downstairs, which is the half bath.